I think the biggest partnership which we are doing, and that's something which is close to my heart, is how do we upskill the cyber market or the cyber talent for the future? I'm pretty much close to a lot of universities as well as the advisory roles on bringing top talent from universities across the world, tapping them, at the right stage and mentoring them. Mentoring has to be a big aspect because, a lot of challenges, either we call it, women in cyber, or even, cyber for armed forces, as well as for servicemen. I think that's some of the programs we're learning and really doing it as part of my ecosystem, because I have, just to call it out, I have, I would say, 50% of my direct leadership as women, which is empowering them and giving the right skill sets. One of my direct report comes in from armed forces. So I think that is the kind of diversity which we need to I would say adopt and encourage, to bring in the right kind of leadership and flavor to challenge each other in this environment, rather than just having a unilateral voice and just sticking to that.